This is the time of year when so many of us think about what we have to give thanks for. And this year, there have been so many challenges. But yet and still, in the midst of all those challenges, there's plenty to be thankful for. And I just want to tell you what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for our students who, under difficult circumstances, persevered. They adapted to different classroom learning situations and the restrictions on their movements. I'm thankful for them. I'm thankful for our faculty who had to, some cases, learn new technology or had to develop lesson plans that included ways to both do in-person and do remote learning. Thank you. I'm thankful for our coaches who made sure that they work with their student athletes and practice in very difficult circumstances, including circumstances where they could not practice because they weren't even able to breathe outside. So thank you. I'm thankful for the many workers who continue to do their job under incredible circumstances, whether it was wildfires or whether it was smoke. They came in and they did their best to do their job. I'm thankful for those on the staff and the administration who, above all else, discussed what is our mission and what is in the best interest of our students, and allowed us to get through a semester that had an incredibly healthy student body. And that's not to take away from those few cases that we had that struggle, but overall our student body was healthy because of all the things that people did. And so I just want to say thank you. I look forward to seeing you all in the spring. Be well, be blessed, and especially now, continue to wash your hands.